Today, I want to talk about how to get promoted. How to get promoted.
Yeah, yeah.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you're having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. Today, I want to talk about how to get promoted. So if you want to raise at your job, or maybe you just want general success at work, then this video is for you. Imagination creates all reality. Neville Goddard teaches us that our operant power is our human imagination. He also teaches us that God, or the Creator, is not separate from us. So you can have anything you desire by imagining that you have already received it. Again, you can have anything you desire by imagining that you have already received it. So do you desire a promotion within your job? So maybe you want a raise, or maybe you want success within your job. If others can have it, why not you? The only thing that's stopping you from getting that promotion is yourself. Getting promoted is actually a great goal. You should never feel guilty for wanting to advance in your life. You should never feel guilty for any desires. So Neville Goddard teaches us that if you manifest something into your life, if you have a burning desire, and you manifest that into your life, and then you realize, oh, I don't want this, that's okay. You should never feel guilty because that was your dominant feeling at one point. And Neville Goddard emphasizes that your dominant feelings will manifest into your life. So if you don't want that, then you can always reimagine it because imagination creates reality. So if you're desiring a promotion right now, and then later you realize this is not what I want, you can always reimagine it. You can always reimagine yourself out of that state and then occupy a new one. So if you do have a desire to get promoted within your job, have success, do not feel guilty for it. If you do find yourself feeling guilty whenever you desire better things into your life, or you feel guilty whenever you try to imagine yourself having those better things, then you need to go inwards and reflect to see why you're feeling that way. So you can do this by looking into the mirror and say, I love you. So you want to say, I love you, and then add your name. So you want to look deep into your eyes, and say, I love you, and add your name so you can heal yourself. You have to heal yourself. You deserve that promotion, and you deserve success in all aspects of your life. So now let's talk about how you can actually get promoted. Let's take some steps so you can actually get that promotion. The first thing you want to do is accept the fact that you have already been promoted. So accept that deep within your heart that you have already been promoted. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So how do you feel now that you have been promoted? How do you feel now that you have been promoted 2 weeks ago? So imagination creates reality, so you need to mentally construct a scene. So we want to create a short movie clip, a short movie scene that implies that you have already got promoted 2 weeks ago. So you can do this simply by picking out your favorite restaurant. So you want to mentally see your favorite restaurant. So you want to see yourself inside of that restaurant in first person, your favorite restaurant. So right now, what you're going to do is you're going to mentally replay the scene of you getting promoted 2 weeks ago. So now you're drenched with a feeling of success. So you're now there with your coworkers, your family members, your significant other. So you can give vividness to it. So you want to mentally hear them say, congratulations, and then add your name. So you want to vividly feel the handshakes from everybody in the room. You want to imagine yourself wearing your favorite red shirt. Your significant other is there with you, and they're wearing their favorite blue shirt. So now you're feeling this vividness, you're feeling the emotions of being promoted, and now you can't stop smiling. So now what you want to do is you want to replay your movie scene. You want to replay this clip, this movie scene that you created in your mind for 3 nights in a row. So you want to do it before bed 3 nights in a row so you can feel the naturalness, you want to feel the vividness of it. Your promotion already exists. So your promotion is waiting for you to manifest once you actually feel that you already have it. So once you feel that you have already been promoted, it's going to manifest into your life. So all things are possible. If you can just feel and imagine your desires, nothing in this world is going to stop you from having it. So you know that you imagine correctly whenever your mood has changed. You no longer feel the same. So you feel calm, relaxed, and you kind of feel at peace. So if you give this technique a try, then you will get promoted. This imaginal scene is actually going to feel like a memory, like something that has already happened. So try this technique, give it a try, believe in yourself, and remember that you are worth it. Life is good. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to upload videos on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Stay tuned for my next video. What determines the duration of manifesting? What determines the duration of manifesting? If you like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.